Welcome back, friends. Today's video, we're going to be featuring a home located in the amazing city of Lawrenceville, Georgia. This beautiful home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,459 square feet. It also features almost a half an acre lot, and the price is $849,000. As you can see, this is one of the most modern style homes, and it has so much more to offer on the inside. With 17 feet ceilings, 2 primary suites, a gourmet chef kitchen with waterfall islands, and we want to thank the agent Levin for allowing us to tour this beautiful home. We can't wait for you to see all that it has to offer and just how much you could enjoy this property as it becomes your new home. If you're interested in some more information about this property or any other property in the Atlanta area, give me a call. All the information regarding this property will be located below, and my contact number if you ever want to reach out and take a tour. So let's get started, and I hope you enjoy this video. Well, friends, that's going to wrap it up for this location. I want to say thank you for joining me today. I would love for you to mention down below some of the features that you love most about this property. There were quite a few to mention. And if you have any questions, just know that all the information will be located down below, along with my information as well. And if you're interested in taking a tour, reach out. Let's chat and let's see what we can do to get you touring some of these amazing homes that are going to be featured on Location with LaToshia. I want to thank you for joining me today. And as you can see, we're still showcasing all that this home has to offer. It is perfect and ready for the amazing family to enjoy all that it offers. And don't forget, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because we want to see you back on Location with LaToshia for real estate tours. Until the next one, take care. Bye.